Hello and welcome to History Pod. Today's episode has been voted for by supporters of the podcast, and today I'd like to make a special thank you to Paul Hanson for joining my other valued patrons by pledging his support to the podcast. If you would like to join Paul and help to keep the daily episodes like this one being researched, recorded and released, you can find details at patreon.com/historypod. On the 21st of January 1981, the first DeLorean DMC-12 sports car, the car later used as the time machine in Back to the Future, rolled off the production line. The DeLorean Motor Company was founded by engineer and automobile executive John DeLorean in 1975. The prototype DeLorean Safety Vehicle was completed in October 1976, with initial investment from celebrities including Tonight Show host Johnny Carson and singer Sammy Davies Jr. Meanwhile, DeLorean secured significant financial incentives from the Northern Ireland Development Agency in order to build the manufacturing plant in Dunmurry, a suburb of Belfast, in an attempt to cut unemployment and curb sectarian violence. The factory was built in 1978, with production of the car scheduled to begin the following year. Subsequent engineering delays and budget overruns meant that work on the first units didn't actually begin until 1981. Built by an enthusiastic but largely inexperienced workforce, the first of the distinctively shaped DeLorean DMC-12s was completed on the 21st of January. Fitted with gull-wing doors and finished with stainless steel body panels, the car's appearance was expected to be a unique selling point. However, by the time the first cars were available, a recession had hit the United States, and this had a devastating effect on new car sales. Combined with mediocre reviews and customer complaints about the quality of the finished vehicles, it's reported that at least half of the 7,000 cars produced by February 1982 had not even been sold. Although the company managed to limp on for a few more months, the DeLorean Motor Company went bankrupt shortly after its owner was charged by the US government with trafficking cocaine. Although he was later acquitted, DeLorean's reputation was irreparably damaged.